Guys and girls, I want to introduce the baddest graphics card I've ever used. Introducing the Matrix 2080 Ti Asus Infinity Loop graphics card. I know that's a lot, but this thing packs a punch. What a great graphics card. Asus spared nothing as far as this card goes and went to the top of the mountain to exceed everybody's expectations. Let's take a look at some B-roll and then we'll get back into it.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Asus has included standard fare as far as accessories go. You have a nice thank you card. You also have some Go Faster stickers, which is always awesome. And you also have your driver's disc, but make sure you go up to the Asus website to download those. Velcro straps are included as well. Now let's briefly talk about what makes this card so great, the Infinity Loop cooling system. This is an internal closed loop water cooling system that's the first of its kind. It combines the performance of an external closed loop system but built into one card. Amazing, amazing, amazing. The next great feature on this card is the heat spreader. Take a look at this. Not only does it cover the GPU die, it also covers the memory. Wow, look at the right side of a typical heat spreader. Amazing, Asus, simply outstanding. Asus has also incorporated new high-tech maximum airflow, and it is a great feature. 4-pin, 2 of them, hybrid control headers that can be connected to PWM and DC system fans for optimal system cooling. Asus, like I said earlier, has left nothing to chance with this graphics card. Let's talk about some of the specifications of this card. It has GDDR6, 11 gigabytes worth of memory. It has a GPU boost clock of 1815 megahertz. It has a GPU base clock of 1350 megahertz. It has 4,352 CUDA cores. Awesome. It also has a 14,800 megahertz memory clock, a 352-bit memory interface, and the connectivity on this thing is outstanding. With HDMI 2.0, has 2 of those. It has 2 DisplayPort, native and 1.4, and a USB Type-C support as well. As a tech enthusiast, I must say this is the most advanced graphics card I've ever used. It's a pleasure to own it, and I'm glad I do. At $1,600 US, it's expensive, but my lord, is it gorgeous. Once again, thanks for tuning in to Tech Pro Hardware. If you like this video, please think about subscribing and give us a big like. What you see here is a preview of this card going into this system of components, so stay tuned to my channel to see more of this epic build that's coming soon.